We'll guide you through how to add and sum columns and rows in Excel. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I'm doing this in the Excel web app, but it's exactly the same in the Excel app. So here we have two columns of numbers, which I want to go and add up or multiply. So what you need to do is choose the cell you want the answer in and then go and put equals. Now go and put in the first cell, for me that's B2, and then you need to decide if you want to add them or go and multiply them. In this case, I'll go and add them. So I'll go and click on the plus icon on my keyboard, and then I'll go and type in the other cell I want to add it to, which is C2. Then press enter, and as you can see, we've now added them up. And to repeat this for the entire column, click and drag in the bottom right of the cell, and then as you can see, it'll go and repeat it. If you wish to multiply the two columns together, then instead of putting the plus, you need to put an asterisk, and then go and put the other cell, in this case it's C2, press enter, and it will do the same thing. And then what you can do is click and drag in the bottom right down, and as you can see, it will then go and do it.